Okay, we made it to the water. We're going down to Pier 11. We might take the Statue of Liberty cruise for 29 bucks up until 6 p.m. I might come back and just do that. So I don't think going to Jersey City at the moment is what I want to do. So, all right, sounds good. Here we go. We're on the ferry, going to the Brooklyn Bridge. On the ferry, going to the Brooklyn Bridge. This is some sort of drink bar. Sounds like the owners. Helicopter. Upstairs. Hopefully clear enough view of the Statue of Liberty. There we go. Busy. Busy.
You know what?